Good morning, children. Hope you all are healthy and studying well in this difficult situation also. This is Rinku Giri with part 3 video of chapter 11 Rocks and Minerals for Standard 5. In this video, we will cover up sedimentary rock, its formation and its different types. We all know that there are three types of rock as we have studied: igneous rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. In our part 2 video already we have studied about igneous rock, and today we will study about sedimentary rock and its formations and types. Sedimentary rocks. Rocks that are exposed to forces of nature like wind, rain, hail and intense heat of sun wear out over time. This process is called weathering of rocks. This causes them to wear out particle by particle. These particles of sediments get carried away by wind and rain to rivers, lakes and seas, where they slowly sink down to the bottom and settle down in layers. The weight of the sediments on top squeezes the sediments in the lower layers, thus forming rocks. It is called sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed over millions of years. About 75% of the Earth's land surface is covered by sedimentary rocks, but they constitute only 5% of the Earth's crust by volume. Types of sedimentary rocks: conglomerate, sandstone, shale and limestone. Conglomerate. This rock consists of coarse gravel, stones and pebbles which solidifies into an uneven looking rock. It shows patches of different colors. It is also used in building and construction. Decorative tiles. Sandstone. As the name suggests, sandstone is made up of sand particles and rock grains cemented with some minerals. It contains mostly quartz grains and is a soft rock. It is yellow, brown, pink and red in color. It is used in constructing buildings. Red Fort in Delhi is made up of red sandstone. Shale. It is most abundantly found sedimentary rock. It is a fine-grained sedimentary rock made up of clay and mud deposited as silt on river beds and at the mouth of rivers. Grey-colored rock and is made of parallel layers. It is used for making tiles, bricks and pottery items. When shale is mixed with limestone, it forms cement. Limestone. Limestone is a commonly found sedimentary rock and is mainly made up of the mineral calcite. Some of it is formed in the seas when bits of rocks, coral, shell and skeletal remains of tiny sea creatures sink down to the seabed. Over a period of time, several layers of this sediment collect and compress to form limestone. Limestone is also found in the form of chalk hills or cliffs on the Earth's crust. It is used for brick, Glass and cement manufacture. The Great Pyramid of Giza is made entirely of limestone. Chalk is also a type of limestone. Many sedimentary rocks contains fossils. Answer the following questions. You have to write this in your science notebook. Question number 5. What is the difference between shale and slate? You have to make 2 columns for shale and slate and then write the answer. Number A. Shale is a sedimentary rock. Slate is a metamorphic rock. Number B. It is formed from the layers of clay that have hardened. It is formed from shale. It is smooth rock and it is a fine-grained rock. Question number 6. What type of rock is pumice? Why is it a porous rock? Answer. Pumice is an igneous rock. Pumice is formed when lava under high temperature and pressure is thrown out of the volcanoes during eruption. This lava with gas bubbles solidifies rapidly. This leads to formation of pores inside the pumice. Question number 7. Some foot scrubbers that are made from an igneous rock called pumice can float on water. Explain. Pumice is formed when lava under high temperature and pressure is thrown out of the volcanoes during an eruption. The lava with gas bubbles solidifies rapidly. This leads to the formation of pores inside the rock, and this rock is very light and it can float on water. Question number 8. Give one use of the following. Quartzite. It is used to make statues, in watches, in making glass and as a gemstone. Number B. Basalt. It is used in the construction of buildings, roads and pavements. Number C. Pumice. It is used as a body scrubber to polish floor and teeth. Thank you, children. Practice social distancing. Stay safe indoors.